exterior on this GMC Canyon before I do the outside. Not too terrible. It's got a few spots that we gotta scrub, but other than that, we're just gonna give it a nice little foam bath and then get rid of everything else, and then it will be done. I'll show you guys what it looks like when we're done. And this is that GMC Canyon after I'm done with the outside. As you can see, I got it looking a lot better than it did before. Nice and shiny like it should be. Looks good. Looks pretty much brand new. If you need any work, call Red Mountain Detail at 435-574-7888. Thank you.